Guys, what's going on? It's RJ over at Dynamite. Listen, a few questions I always get asked when it comes to miter saws is, which one's the best one? Which one is the most powerful? And which one has some decent dust collection? And guys, we say decent because anybody that's ever used a miter saw knows getting dust collection with a miter saw is nearly impossible, okay? Festool, being a company that specializes in dust collection, they can't even do it right. The Capex does not do a great job in collecting dust. Let me show you a few solutions that Makita did, okay? They have two ports, okay, that are conjoined into one. One here at the blade, okay, and then one here behind the saw. So when you first start making your initial cut into the material, it's going to cut from here. But then once you continue cutting, okay, that's when this loses its ability to collect the dust. So then that's what's going to give this port back here the opportunity to collect the remaining dust, okay? Now, guys, is this going to do a great job when you have this hooked up to a shop vac, okay? Shop vac, okay, at around 80 CFM? No, you're not going to have great dust collection with 80 CFM. If you hook this up to a dust extractor, okay, that's a super shop vac, okay, at around 150 CFM. We recommend the Fine Turbo 2. DeWalt makes a great one. Bosch makes a great one. A bunch of companies make some good ones. These are all around 150 CFM, even more powerful than your Festool dust extractor. You hook up any of those to this miter saw and you will get phenomenal dust extraction. Now, one last thing when it comes to Makita's miter saws I want to talk to you about. Now, if you come over here, Phil, okay, when we're dealing with, let's say, a sliding miter saw, okay, you need to be able to bevel to both sides. That's what they call it, a dual compound miter saw, where it bevels to both sides, okay? Now, what most sliding miter saws have to do to have a dual bevel miter saw is put the motor behind the saw, put it behind the blade, okay? Well, listen, guys, and they'll in turn make it belt driven. But guys, let's go over to Makita. Makita is very cocky when it comes to motors, okay? If you ask them, they'll tell you that they consider themselves a motor company above anything else, okay? So Phil, let's come over here and show everybody. So here, guys, if you look, there is no belt here. This is simply a motor mounted on the side, but instead of it being a block on the side and preventing you from beveling to this side, they put their motor on an angle, completely out of the way. So now you have a direct drive motor, 15 amp motor, in a sliding dual bevel compound miter saw, okay? Guys, this is my favorite miter saw. They offer this in a 10-inch, they offer it in 12-inch, and they also offer it in cordless or corded. You can do a 18-volt battery at 36 volts, or you can do it at 40 volts. Okay, guys, we got all these saws in stock. Come on down, take a look at them, play around with it, okay? Another cool option, guys, you got all the controls up front. A lot of options to go over, guys, but I'm not going to have enough time in this video. So come on down, let's go over it, and I'll show you everything about this saw. Dynamite tool, big on selection, small on price. Boom.